Remove the pump valve module from the canister. Make a cut here on the metal hoop. Open up carefully the hoop. Open up the module. Water and rust everywhere. Clean up the water and rust. Pull out the orifice. Clean the water, this is the key. You may use 12 volts to test the pump and valve. Now put everything back. Tie up the hoop with a tie. Use a small tie to hold the tie. Mount the module back onto the canister. Now drive your car for 10 minutes, no more fault code.